Yeah, so anytime you contact NoOnes support, right, regarding your trade, the first thing we ask you is share your trade ID. And so many cases, people get confused. Where do I see my trade ID? For this reason, today we are going to learn how to discover your trade ID on NoOnes. So today we are going to talk about how to find your trade ID on NoOnes. Very, very simple. Make sure you watch all the video to understand how to find trade ID on NoOnes, because whenever you reach out to any NoOnes official or NoOnes support regarding your trade, you will always ask for your trade ID. So first of all, I log in into my NoOnes account. NoOnes.com. We are likely logging in direct, okay, because I have already opened NoOnes on my Safari, so it sent me to NoOnes. This is my NoOnes page, right? What next? You tap on notification, right? Can you see notification in white? Yes, you tap on it. So I tap on it, then this pop up. You can see all the trades I have done, right? So any of these trades that I want to find trade ID, I'm just going to tap on it, right? Yeah, so let's say the first one, I want to find a trade ID because I have an issue, or I had an issue with that trade, so I just tap on it. If the second one, I just tap on it. But here, let's use the first one as an example. So I tap on it. Then boom, it sent me to my trade page. You can see charts where I'm going to see the charts where I traded with the person. So here on the chart, you can actually chat the person on the chart. So let's see hi. So this is the chart. That's not where you find your trade ID. Rather, you move to actions. So not chart, but rather actions. So I tap on actions, then scroll down. Can you see the trade ID? Yes, this is the trade ID. And you can copy your trade ID from here. You don't actually have to write it down, rather copy it to make it very, very easy for you. So I can just copy this one. So copy, right? It's copied. Very, very simple. So this is how to find your trade ID. So whenever you reach out to any NoOnes official regarding your trade or NoOnes support, we will not ask you for logins, we will not ask you for money or anything. Only thing we are going to ask is trade ID. And this is how to find your trade ID on NoOnes. Okay. So this is my profile. Sometimes when the trade is in dispute, you usually see the trade popping up on top of your offer. But here I'm not having any active trade. That is why you don't see any trade. You could have seen active trade on top of my profile. In this case, you can just tap on it and then open the charts. But since I don't have any active trade now, the only thing we can do now is just to tap on notification and then tap on the trade that you want to report to support. You tap on it. From here, you find your trade ID and then report to support. Thank you so much for joining us. Make sure you follow us, like, subscribe to our channel for more updates. Let us know in the comment section, what don't you understand and how can we support you?